How to stitch braid foundation for beginners. Let's go. Okay, after you put your favorite gem on, you're going to part it and clip away the rest of the hair. You can either braid per stitch or 2-strand twist per stitch. But here I'm braiding per stitch. Whatever direction you want the braids to go, then you're going to braid each stitch in that direction. Like her braids is going up into like a ponytail at the top. So I'm going to braid her sections, her stitch braids going up. Oh. Okay, so you're going to make sure that each section is even as much as possible. Smooth out the hair with your favorite jam, of course, and you're going to braid it real slow so you can make them real neat and precise. Okay.
Oh, so these ain't cornrows, these plaits.
So as you see, I'm matching the stitch with the other side of the stitch so it can be more uniform. All right, clip away your hair, put your favorite jam on.
I use Hair Robert's extra firm hole, or I use the jam in the yellow jar.
Whichever one you prefer. And then you're going to proceed to braid it. Now, you're going to continue this method all the way up the head until you get to the top of the ponytail. As you can see in this video, I already did pretty much her whole head. So this is my last section. So like I said, you're going to braid it. It's easy, no hassle. And this method lasts way longer than the traditional stitch braid method because each stitch is braided. So there will be less slipping. It'll be less frizzies. Especially if you have daughters that go to school or that play rough or whatever. Or if they sleep rough or sleep wild. This is the perfect stitch braid method for your little ladies. All right?
I'm going to try this on my little girl. This is going to be easy.
And guess what? Whenever you're done, you ain't gotta leave it like this.
I don't?
You could put it on a drawstring ponytail, straight ponytail, a natural puff ball at the top, or you can put her natural hair in a little curlies or coils. Just use your creativity.
Girl, you just gave me a good idea.
Use your imagination, have fun, and create it and modify it the best way you can. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, after you braid it all the way up, I'm going to show you to connect the bottom to the top so you can complete the stitch braids. Make sure you braid it loosely because if you want to crochet some hair in to make it have like a fuller look or add some color to it so it won't be too tight for you, your client, your daughter, or your granddaughter. All right?
Okay, my daughter hair about to be juicy.
If you're a beginner with time and patience, you will get it. Trust me.
I hope so.
You will get it. It will click. Just keep practicing and keep going. I actually did this video before, but it was sped up some, so I slowed it down so you can kind of see exactly what I'm doing clearly, slowly, and you can digest this a lot better. So congratulations, you just completed your first stitch braid for beginners.
Thank